Mrs. Selinu Nodumene Ahudia. Happy birthday to you, Ahudia. Many more years to you, Ahudia. Munye usre mu wish you. Happy birthday to you. Yana usre mu wish you. Happy birthday to you. Abuzionye kaneku makaya. Your daughter-in-law, Mrs. Vivian Chizoba. Nodo Yana her lovely son, Divine Franklin Chibunke. Nodo. You are more than a mother-in-law. You are more of a good mother to her. Happy birthday to you, Ahudia. Onye nwetala ezigbo nne di, no nwetala ife dị mma, cause he go take you like her own daughter. You no go feel it bad at all. Chey, Ahudia, igbo ezigbo nne di. Mrs. Selinu Nodumene Ahudia. Happy birthday to you. Many more years to you. Happy birthday to you, Ahudia.